Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the charging port on your phone, Samsung Galaxy A30s. We need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles so that the bristles return to their original position and so that they're soft or at least not stiff. If they're too hard, they could simply scratch the phone. Besides that, we need isopropyl alcohol, which is practically pure, to help loosen the dirt so it comes out of the socket, and then it evaporates so there's no trace left behind. You can buy both of these things together as a set. There are a few different brushes to choose from, so you can buy this on Allegro or Amazon. If you can't get one, you can always use a toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. The phone must always be turned off before the procedure. It should never be left on. We soak the brush thoroughly so that it's wet. If you don't have such a diffuser, you can use any regular container, pour in a bit of the recommended alcohol, and dip your toothbrush in it. We take the phone and, using a one-way motion, clean the port, insert the brush as far in as it will go, and move it as if you're sweeping, just sweeping with the brush. Dirt from the port. We do this about 5 to 10 times in one direction. And then from the other side, do the same thing. You can either move it from the other side like that, or simply switch the phone to your other hand and do exactly the same as before, just with the phone turned to the other side. We repeat this about 20 times, so that it's 20 times on each side. And we'll have a clean port. Of course, it all depends on how dirty the port was to begin with. You can even do it 50 times on one side if needed. Then it will definitely be thoroughly cleaned without any problem, that port. You definitely need to check if it's not drying out a little. If it starts to dry out, just soak it even more. Once again, so that all the dirt can loosen up there, soften and come out easily. After the procedure, leave the phone for about 10 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol can evaporate from the port. And after those 10 to 15 minutes, you can use the phone as normal. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.